Excited to launch the rockets?
Again with the same baking soda mixed water, and now we have turned on the electricity, and due to electrolysis the oxygen and hydrogen are getting separated on one side. So as you can see, this is the hydrogen and this is the oxygen. As
Cubes and die. Yes. Okay, tell me the parts.
So it is the moon and it is the part.
What is the new moon?
So no moon is a type of.
Similarly, telescope is also having its body and tube. Yes, it is the form of tube. So what is the